Hey friends, Angie, we're going out the door today.
It's Bobby.
We're at Pandora at the Animal Kingdom at Disney World, and I wanted to show you a few things just so you could see what we've seen today. If I can find the camera. This is a, what do they call it? A night something. And it's at Pandora, and they're about $8, $7, and then if you buy the cup, they're about $15, and it's got pear and apple and different fruit things in it. And limeade. It's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The little balls on top taste like passion fruit.
Yeah, and one between us is good, right? Yeah. You gonna do it again?
I'm okay.
Yeah, I think so too. That's what I feel. So here is what the Pandora stuff looks like. It is probably the most beautiful and most lush area in all of Disney. It's seriously absolutely gorgeous. I probably took, 30 or 40 pictures just in the queue line to go on the ride. And so the ride that everybody's talking about, the Flight of Passage, actually happens in that mountain right there. And so your queue line goes up. When we got in line, it said it would take us 95 minutes. And the whole thing, we were done in an hour, and we took tons of pictures because the inside, just walking up, is just amazing, and it didn't feel like an hour at all.
Oh, that was pretty cool.
Honestly, I counted, and we would stop for about 12 steps, and then for the count of 12 to 15, and then we would walk at least 20, if not more. And so there is the gift shop right there. And this is the restaurant. So you can see how close all this part is. We're going to kind of walk this other direction over here because we've not walked over here, and just show you kind of some stuff just so you can see. The ride itself for me was much different than I expected. It was like a motorcycle kind of, and you stepped from the back onto the motorcycle, and then these little braces, after you get in, come on to the back of your legs and your lower back, and so you feel very safe. So your feet at all times are on the ground, or on the, no, not the ground, but on a piece of equipment. So it feels like you're on the ground at all times, even though you're flying through the air. It goes straight down in a lot of places, but if you open or close your eyes, you're probably not leaning forward any more than you're leaning to eat dinner or something as you lean forward. But the way they have it set up, you feel like you're going straight down on that banshee, down to the water or down through the trees. And overall, I would say it was probably the most impressive thing I've ever done. So I thought it was amazing. But isn't this beautiful? Absolutely stunning. Just stunning. Okay, well, I just wanted you to see kind of what we saw with Pandora. Okay, here, we'll go down here and show you the waterfall first, and then we'll check out. Well, there's some flowers. Again, it's stunning. Everywhere you look is just beautiful. You can take 1,000 pictures and not have everything, that you want on video or on pictures, so. I hope you guys can see that. My goodness. That's straight over our head. Over here and play the drums. Alright. Well, here's my suggestion. Do it all at least once and see what you think, because it's a great experience. Buy the expensive drink. Don't buy the $15 version. Buy the $7 version. Share it with a bunch of people in line, with all your family, not just people in line, but people, bring your family. And, probably not going to have to do it a second time, but there you go. All right, Disney loving friends, have a great day. check in with you later. Bye.